Hello everyone, welcome you all to the digital electronics class. Today we will be having session 7 of unit 2 digital principles. These are the contents of today's session. Here we are going to learn the conversion of binary number to decimal number, binary to hexadecimal number and hexadecimal to decimal number. This conversion we are going to study in this session, how to convert binary to decimal, one number system into another number system. How to do this conversion, that we are going to study in this session. Binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal numbers. So first we shall see how to convert binary number into decimal number system. So you need to remember these steps to convert binary number, any binary number into decimal number. So first, what is the first step? Separate each binary bit. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Multiply each bit by their equivalent weight. Weights of the position from right to left are as 2 to the power of 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on for the integer part, and weight of the positions from left to right are as 2 to the power of minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4 and so on for the fractional part. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೈನರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ weight ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2 to the power of 0 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಬೈ ದೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ weight. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಅದರ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ weight ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು 2 power 0, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು 2 power 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ 73.60. Now this is called as integer and this is called as fraction. Integer part is there and fraction part is there. So if for the integer part, what we need to do, you need to multiply the binary value of this integer part with the weights of power 2 power 0 from right to left. Right to left ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ right to left. You need to add the weight. First digit 2 power 0, next digit 2 power 1, next digit 2 power 2 and so on. Whereas weights of the position from left to right for the fractional part. Fractional part na left to right. So this is left side, this is right side. Left to right add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ powers of 2 in the with the negative values. 2 power minus 1, this is 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, next 2 power minus 3 and so on. So this is how then we need to multiply each digit with the weights and then we have to take the summation of this. Addition we need to take. Add all the values to obtained in the previous step. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 8 bits. So this is called as LSB, least significant bit, and this is called as MSB bit. So to 0th position and this is the 7th position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 position I am telling. 7th position it is, and it is the 0th bit, 7th bit call. And these are the binary numbers we are having. So what we need to do, we need to, so here there is no fraction part, only integer part is there, no fraction part. You have to multiply each binary digit with the equivalent weight. So for the integer part, what is from where we need to start? You need to start from 2 to the power of 0. So this is 2 to the power of 0 and next we are having 2 to the power of 1. Therefore it is 2 to the power of 1 and then we have 2 to the power of 2 and then we have 2 to the power of 3 and then we have 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 power 6 and 2 power 7. This is 2 to the power of 7. 2 power 7 it is. So these are called as weights of the respective binary numbers, binary digits. Now we have to multiply this with this, multiply this with this, multiply this with this. All this should be multiplied and then we need to take the summation. So here it is shown here. What is the first digit we are having? 0 digit we are having. 0 should be multiplied with 2 power 0. Multiply. Plus. Take the next digit. 1 into 2 power 1. 1 into 2 power 1. Then we have 0 into 2 power 2. And we have 1 into 2 power 3 and so on. Last we are having 1 into 2 power 7. Now you multiply all the values. What is the value of 2 power 0? 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. That is what 0 is get. you will get. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. No need to consider this one because 0 is there. 0 into anything is 0. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 64 into 1 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 128 into 1 is 128. Now take the addition of all. You take the summation of all these. You do the addition. So 128 plus 64 plus 8 plus 2. It is equal to 202 in decimal. So this number in binary represents 202 in decimal. So this is how we can able to convert a given binary number into decimal number. So we shall go to the another example where this number contains both integer part as well as the fraction part. See, this is called as integer and this is called as fraction. Dot binary point is there. Binary point ಇಂದ ಮುಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೈನರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 2 to the power of 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್? ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಫ್ರಮ್ starting from 2 to the power of 0. You add the weight and then this is 2 to the power of 1 and then we have 2 to the power of 2 and then we have 2 to the power of 3 and so on. So how we are writing? We are writing from right side to the left side. This is the rule we need to follow while multiplying for the integer part. Whereas while multiplying for the fractional part, you need to take the reverse now. So this is from left to right with the negative powers of 2. So it is like 2 to the power of minus 1 you have to take because 2 power 0 is already over. What is the next lower number after 0? Next lower number is 2 to the power of minus 1. Then you take 2 power minus 2. So 2 power minus 2 it is. Then you need to take 2 to the power of minus 3 for this. And for the last digit you need to take 2 to the power of minus 4. So this is 2 to the power of minus 4. Now you multiply the corresponding numbers, corresponding binary value with the weights and then take the summation. So it is shown here. 0 is there, this 0, this 0. So 0 into 2 to the power of 0. Next 1 into 2 to the power of 1. 0 into 2 power 2, 1 into 2 power 3. You put the, you remember the dot, that is nothing but the binary point. So this is binary point is available here. Remember, binary point is available here. Next you take the next digit, that is equal to 1. 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. So you have to multiply with the negative powers of 2 now. 1 into 2 power minus 1, 0 into 2 power minus 2, 1 into 2 power minus 3 and 1 into 2 power minus 4. Then you multiply all the value. What is 2 power 3? It is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So 2 power 2 is 4, but 0 is there here. 0 into anything is 0. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 0 into anything is 0 and binary point is available here. So remember, binary point available here. This is binary point. So we'll write in another color. So this is the binary point we are having a red line. So this is the binary point you are having. After this number, binary point is there. Then 2 power minus 1. What is 2 power minus 1? 2 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 power 1. 1 by 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 power 1. What is 2 power 1? It is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but how much? It is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 into 1 is 0.5 only. This is 0.5. Next 2 to the power of minus 2. How do you write 2 power minus 2? 2 power minus 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2. 1 by 2 to the power of 2. We know that 1 by 2 power 2 is 4. 1 by 4 is how much? 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. 0.25 into 0. So it is equal to 0. And then we have 2 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3 is nothing but 0.125. 0.125 into 1 is 0.125 and 2 power minus 4 is 0.0625 into 1 is the same 0.0625. Then take the summation of all these. You will be getting 10.6875. This is the answer. So for this binary number, the equivalent decimal value is 10.6875. Otherwise, you can do this calculation with the help of the calculator. In the calculator, directly you can type 2 to the power of minus 1. You will get the answer. So this is how we can able to convert given binary number into decimal number. So some more examples are given here. You can work out these example. So the first example is this one. It is nothing but 111011101. This is the binary number it is given. So weights are already written here. This is nothing but 2 to the power of 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 2 is 1. 2 power 2 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 power 7 is 128. Now multiply the corresponding number. 128 into 1, 64 into 1, 32 into 1, 16 into 0 and so on. Now you find out the answer. It is 128, 64, 32. This is 0. 0 into 16 is 0 and so on, and take the summation of this. It is equal to 237. Finally you have to add this one. So the decimal equivalent of this binary is nothing but 237. Similarly you can try this number. This number is given, no fraction part. Multiply each binary value with the powers of positive powers of 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on, and you will be getting the answer as 141. So one more example is available here. The same thing. First value should be multiplied by 2 power 0. It is nothing but 1. Second value is multiplied by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and so on up to 2 power 7. Do the multiplication and then perform the addition. You will get the answer as 86. 86 is the answer. Similarly for 1010, we already know you can do this operation like add the weights 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Multiply these two numbers. You will be getting this answer. So the answer is 10 here. Otherwise, since it is a simple number, smaller number, you can use 8421 code also. 8421 code for this number. So what is given? 1010 is given. 1010. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So the correct answer is 10. This is how you can able to verify your answers. So this is how we can able to convert the binary number into decimal number. So some more examples are given here. Here it contains only the fraction part. In this case, it contains only the fraction part. So now in the fraction part, you know that what is the rule? Rule says that we need to move from left side to right side. ಈ ಥರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ. First 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Multiply by 2 power minus 1 now. When we are converting the fractions into from binary fraction number into decimal, you need to multiply this with the corresponding powers of 2, means negative powers of 2 you need to consider. So 1 into 2 power minus 1, next 0 is there. 0 into 2 power minus 2, 1 into 2 power minus 3 and 1 into 2 power minus 4. You find out the answer for this either by using the calculator or you can use the normal method. 2 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. It is equal to 0.5. Similarly, you find out the answers for this and take the addition of all the numbers. Do the summation, you will be getting this answer. So the same is applicable for this answer. You can try this example 1.1. So here it is. This is the integer part. You have to multiply this with the positive powers of 2 and these parts should be multiplied with the negative powers of 2. So it is given. These should be 0, 1 should be multiplied with the negative powers and 1, 1 should be multiplied with the positive powers. And then do the addition. So the answer is 3.25. This is the answer you are going to get. This is how we can able to convert any binary number into decimal number. Next we shall take binary to hexadecimal number. Now just now we saw that how to convert a given binary number into decimal number. Now we shall see how to convert binary number into hexadecimal number. Write a given binary number. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ binary number ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Make a group of 4 bits from each 4 bits each from right side. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಬಿಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಪೆಂಡ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 0 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ 1 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ 2 0ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು add the 0. Add the 0 means it is like joining the zeros. We call this as appending. 0 na append ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that the length should be equal to 4 bits. 4 bits ಆಗಬೇಕು length. And then write the equivalent hex digit. 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So it is very easy to convert binary number into hexadecimal number system or the hexadecimal numbers. So we shall see with the examples. See this is the binary number given 1011 0011 0101. This is the given binary number. So what we need to do, you need to make a group of 4 bits starting from right side. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 4. So these are the first 4 groups, and again second 4, again third 4. So what is 0100? See, it is 8421 code. Again use 8421 code. It is 4 plus 1 is 5. Again here it is 2 plus 1 is 3, and this is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 in hexadecimal is B. Therefore the correct answer is B35 is the correct answer. Similarly you can try this one. This is the binary number given. Make a group starting from the right side. From here you need to group. So 0000, its equivalent value is 0. 0001, its equivalent value is 1. 0111 is 7, and 1110 is nothing but E. Now if you consider this number, see when we are making the group from the right side, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಝೀರೋನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4. ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, 3 0 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 7, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 7. 1111, it is nothing but 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 in hexadecimal is F, and 0001 is nothing but 1. So this is in the same way you can able to group 4 bits each, and this is equal to 4D0. So this is very easy to convert binary number into hexadecimal numbers. So make a group of 4 bits from the right side. Remember, you should group from the right side. If any bit is left, then you have to add so many zeros such that the length of these bits should be equal to 4. That is the procedure we need to follow. Next we shall see hexadecimal to decimal conversion. How to convert hexadecimal numbers into decimal numbers. See, separate each hex digit. First what we need to do, you need to separate each hex digit, multiply each digit by their equivalent weight. One digit in equivalent weight in the multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, in the binary number system, when we are converting binary to decimal, we have multiplied each binary number with its weight, means with the powers of 2. But here we are converting hexadecimal numbers into decimal numbers. So what we need to do, so for the hexadecimal numbers you have to multiply this with the corresponding weights. So weights for the hexadecimal number, for the integer part it is 16 powers of positive value, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3 and so on. Whereas for the fractional part it is negative powers of 16, 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, 16 power minus 3 and so on. So it is very similar, the procedure is very similar to that of the binary to decimal conversion, with the only thing that we need to multiply each value with the powers of 16. In the binary to decimal we have multiplied each digit with the powers of 2, since it is binary to decimal conversion, whereas here it is hexadecimal to decimal. So we need to multiply each digit of a hex number with the powers of 16. Integer part positive powers of 16, and fractional part negative powers of 16. Then take the summation, add all the values obtained in the previous step, take the summation, you will get the answer. So we shall see some examples. Now 3b is given, so there is no fraction part here, only integer part is there. 3b, separate the digits first. So take b first. B is nothing but 11, multiply it by 16 power 0, multiply this with 16 power 0, multiply this with 16 power 1, then do the addition. 3 into 16 power 1, then take the addition. This is equal to 48 plus 11, which is equal to 59 in decimal. Similarly we have E7A9, second example. Multiply this with 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. only integer part is there. So positive powers of 16 you have to take, and you should remember that you should move the 16 powers in this direction, starting from here, not starting from here. You start from this side and then you move like this. So it is E is nothing but 14 into 6.43, or you first write this one 9 into 16 power 0, A into 16 power 1, A is nothing but 10, and 7 into 16 power 2, E into 16 power 3, E means 14. Take the calculator and do the find out the squares and cubes of 16, then multiply with the corresponding digits, and then take the summation, which is equal to 59,305 in decimal. Now we are having the fraction part. So we are having fraction part here, and we are having integer part here. So integer part, we know this should be multiplied with 16 power 0, and the dot is there, and then you need to take the fraction part. What is the fraction? 8 is the fraction. This should be multiplied with 16 power minus 1. Suppose if you have one more number here, you have to multiply that number with 16 power minus 2. Then you take the summation. It is equal to 0.5. Similarly, we are having this number, convert it to decimal, E5. Multiply this with 16 power 0 and multiply this with 16 power 1. So it is 5 into 1. Why it is 5 into 1? Because we know that 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. Any number power 0 is 1. So 5 into 1. And E is nothing but 14. 16 power 1. 16 power 1 is 16. To find out this answer, you put the dot as it is. D is nothing but 13. Since it is the fraction part, you have to multiply this with, you have to follow this order. From here, how you need to go from left side to right side. D is 13. 13 into 16 power minus 0 plus 4 into 16 power minus 2. You find out this answer and do the addition of all the numbers. If you do the addition of all the numbers, whatever the answer you are going to get here, that is its equivalent decimal value of E5.D4 in hex. So this is how we can able to do the conversion of hexadecimal number into decimal numbers. So some more examples are given here. You can try these examples. E8, F6, 27. So same thing we need to do. Integer part is there. Take this order, multiply this with 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. So the same thing we have done here. And for the integer part, follow this order, multiply this with 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2. Then take the calculator and perform the addition operation. You will get this answer. So the same thing is applicable for this also. Here 2 integer digits are there and 2 fractional digits are there. So follow the same procedure and find out the answer. It will be equal to 84.8203125. This is its equivalent decimal value. So this is how you can able to convert hexadecimal number into decimal numbers. So coming to the summary of this session. In this session we learned the conversion of binary number into decimal number, binary to hexadecimal numbers, and hexadecimal to decimal numbers. So now we shall take some of the MCQs. To convert binary to decimal, multiply each bit by equivalent powers of. See, remember here, to convert binary to decimal, we know that any number into decimal, you need to, any number, it can be binary, it can be octal, it can be hexadecimal. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದ್ರ ಪವರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೈನರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 16 ಇಂದ, ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 8 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2. Therefore the correct answer is option B. So we need to multiply with the equivalent powers of 2. To convert binary to hex, make a group of. Binary ಇಂದ ಹೆಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 16, 8, 2 and 4 bits. We know that we need to make a group of 4 bits each. Therefore the correct answer is option D. Group 4 bits from the right side. Remember, from this side you have to make a group, not from this side. This is not correct. You should not group from the left side. You should remember, you should always group from right side to left side while converting binary number into hexadecimal number. Third question, to convert hex to decimal, multiply each bit by equivalent powers of, I told you, any number into decimal, you multiply any number with their corresponding powers. Hex means what? It is 16. So I have to multiply this with the powers of 16. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. It is 16. You have to multiply each digit with the corresponding powers of 16. Fourth question, conversion of binary 01010 to hex. Need to convert this one into hex digit. So binary to hex we already know. Make a group of 4 bits from the right side. So this is the first group and only 1 0 is left here. So what we need to do? We need to append 3 more zeros here. 0, 0 and 0. So what is the total length now? 3 zeros plus 1 0. 4 zeros are there. Totally 4 zeros. What is its equivalent decimal hexadecimal value? It is 10. It is nothing but 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 in hexadecimal is nothing but A. And 0000 is what? It is equal to 0. Therefore, the correct answer is what? Correct answer is 0A. Where is the option 0A? 0A is there. But 0A can also be written as only A. If you write 0 before this A, it doesn't have any magnitude. It doesn't change any value of this number. So x0 ಬರೆದ್ರು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. ಸೊ 0A ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, A ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. therefore what is the correct answer? Correct answer is either A or C. A ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ C ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. therefore the correct answer is option D. Either it is A or it is 0A. Both are same. Both are correct. Therefore it is either A or C. Conversion of binary 01010 to decimal. Now they have asked for the decimal. We know what is the decimal equivalent of this one. It is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So only one option is there. 8, 10, 9, 11. Therefore the correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. 10 is the equivalent decimal value of this binary. Okay, this is the end of this session. Thank you.